the bat, this was the most annoying setup I've ever had to do. And I don't know why, but since today's Monday, everybody feels like they need to annoy me. So let's just get into this, y'all. Okay, let's just get into it. We have to get all this nasty oil off the face. I'm not in the mood today for some reason. Like, I woke up really exhausted. And I just need to get my sleep schedule back together, and I'm just so out of it today. And it took me so long to set everything up and get everything like prepared for today's video. So if I'm a little off, sorry. So I just took some witch hazel and rubbed it all over my face to get some of the dirty oils off. So right now I'm going to be taking the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer. I'm just going to dot a little bit on my eyes right here. And we're going to get a little bit more on this side. There we go. And then I'm going to take my Beauty blender and blend it out. Hold on, I need my mirror. Then. For today's look, I'm going to be taking the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to start with, what color should we start with? I think I'm going to start with this yellow. Bring it closer so y'all can see. And then I'm going to go right here and just pack that right there. And, I can't see, everything's glaring. Pack all of that yellow right here and blend it out. It doesn't really matter if you go out this way because we're going to end up cleaning that up. And I didn't feel like putting tape on my eyes today, so not a big deal. Just get that color blended as best as you can. I think I'm going to use this bright orange right here. That's the next color we're going to use. And then we're going to just put this right here on. I'm just going to pack this on the crease right here for now. And then we'll blend it into the yellow. I just need this on like the outer corner. I don't really necessarily need this on the whole crease. Yeah, it looks good. I'm just going to take some of that foundation and concealer that I used to prime my eyes and just stick a little bit on the lid again to help that blue stick. Let's see. I've got this black light highlight palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with this blue shade. It's called Queen. Yeah, Queen. Yeah, Queen. I'm going to take a little bit on a tiny brush, and I'm just going to pack that color on my brush. And then I'm going to take a little bit of primer water and just spray it. Go right here and just pack that on the center of my lid. And then I'm gonna brush a little bit of that off, and then I'm just gonna go and spread this up and a little to the sides. Just kind of like a little glow in the middle. But I don't want too much of that blue on there. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, very nice. I'm just gonna shear that out a little bit. That way it just looks like a nice little glow. Very nice. Do the same thing on the other eye. And then same thing. Just pull it up and take some off your brush and then shear that out. That looks more. Very cute, very cute. And then I'm gonna take some of the white shade, like a white shimmer shade, and stick right